top exchanges by volume, also has their own self-custodial mobile wallet. Aside from the usual functions like storing and swapping crypto across 77 networks, you can also mint and trade NFTs and even ordinals and BRC20s across 11 networks, yield farm, and explore Web3 with their in-app browser, making it similar to a WeChat-like super app. To download the app, head to the OKX website and follow the link to get it from the Apple or Google App Store. Both the wallet and their centralized exchange are packaged in the same app, but we'll be focusing on just the wallet for this video. Click Create Wallet, and you'll be shown three options: keyless wallet, seed phrase, and hardware wallet. Even though the keyless wallet is the most convenient option, we wouldn't recommend it if you want to self-custody your assets. So for now, we'll be sticking to the plain old seed phrase option. You might get a prompt to enable fingerprint verification, and if you go with this, you'll skip the password setting step. Otherwise, create a strong new password, and voila, you're done with the wallet setup. So now that we're on the home page, you can proceed to fund your wallet. Click on Receive. Then, click on any of the available cryptocurrencies shown by default which you're interested in, then select the network which you want to receive it on, copy the address to or scan the QR code from wherever you're sending your crypto from, whether another wallet or exchange. Now that you've funded your wallet, let's quickly go through what the other tabs on the bottom are for. First is the Trade tab, which has three further tabs within. By default, you'll land on the Market tab, which shows you the top cryptos and their prices. Clicking into them also shows you a simple price chart and some basic information about it. Tokens are conveniently categorized into groups like hot, meme, gainers, or losers. You can add coins and tokens to your favorites list by clicking on the star on the top right corner. Click on Swap or Limit Order if you want to purchase or sell some crypto, and you'll be brought to the Trade tab. Here you can either swap and bridge to perform swaps, or even cross-chain swaps. Select the origin and destination chain, token, and amount that you wish to swap. For certain cryptos, you can place a limit order where you can set a specific price to buy or sell at, and an expiry time for that order. There's also a derivatives option, which allows you to trade with leverage, but we won't be covering that in this video. Moving on to the next tab is the Marketplace. Here you can check out top NFT collections and the latest mints, BRC20s and ordinals collections, create inscriptions on Bitcoin and EVM networks, buy and sell crypto P2P, and browse their Launchpad, where hand-picked projects are featured. In the DeFi tab, you can browse various yield farming opportunities for stablecoins, single or multiple crypto pools, and vaults. Find a pool you're interested in, click into it, and you'll see some additional details about the DeFi pool, such as what you'll be earning, what network the protocol is on, security ratings, and more. Click on Invest to deposit funds, and you'll be reminded that you will be investing on a third-party platform subject to its own risks. Key in the amount that you want to deposit, and bam! You're on your way to earning yield on your crypto. There's even a BRC20 staking option where you can deploy BRC20 tokens into pools to earn yield. Finally, the Discover tab is where you can find a bird's eye view of all of the above featured in the first tab. To explore individual dApps via their in-app browser, head to Explore and you'll see 10 categories of dApps to check out, from DeFi, inscriptions, NFT markets, bridges, liquid staking, lending, and more. Click on an app, go in, connect your wallet, and you're free to start interacting with dApps right there on your phone. Depending on the dApp, you may have to click on Launch App or connect your wallet manually. Finally, you can favorite your most frequented dApps for easy access. Whew, that was a lot to go through, and we've really only skimmed the surface of it. So now you know what we mean when we say it's a super app. If you're exploring the OKX wallet, let us know what you think. Are the wide array of features too clunky, or is it perfect for a one